the legend returns, a more aggressive, more powerful, and more advanced than ever before. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we are diving into the mind-blowing world of American performance with the all-new 2026 Corvette ZR1X. This isn't just a new Corvette, it's the pinnacle of Chevy's engineering might, a track-devouring beast reborn for a new era. For decades, the Corvette has symbolized muscle car dominance fused with European finesse. And now, with the ZR1X badge, Chevy takes it a step further, blending race-bred tech with insane street performance. In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know, from its jaw-dropping design to what lies under the hood, how it feels inside, and why this car might just be the most thrilling bet yet. The 2026 Corvette ZR1X is Chevrolet's most extreme production Corvette ever. Positioned above the already ferocious Z06 and Aero, the ZR1X takes everything great about those models and cranks it up to 11. It's built on the mid-engine C8 platform but comes with significant upgrades in every department. Powering the ZR1X is a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, derived from the Z06's naturally aspirated engine but now boosted to an estimated 850 horsepower and 825 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive, with optional AWD rumored for later trims. This monster hits 0-60 in under 2.5 seconds, and top speed north of 215 miles per hour. It features active aerodynamics, carbon ceramic brakes, magnet or helical dampers, and even a track-tune electronic stability program that learns your driving style. The ZR1X isn't just fast, it's technically brilliant. With multiple driving modes, launch control, and a race-focused telemetry system, it's equally at home at the now and Quarterberg or your nearest drag strip. Visually, the ZR1X is a rolling piece of performance art. Its sculpted body channels airflow with surgical precision. Up front, a massive carbon fiber splitter and gaping vents feed cool air into the intercoolers and brakes, while its sleek LED headlamps give it piercing stare. The hood features deep heat extractor vents, not just for show, but to release hot air from the turbocharged engine. Its side profile is wide, low, and aggressive, highlighted by massive rear haunches and forged 20-21-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Around back, you'll find the star attraction, an active rear wing that adjusts in real time for downforce and drag, flanked by quad titanium exhaust tips that deliver a soundtrack to shake your soul. Everything about the ZR1X's design screams intent. It's not just another sports car, it looks like a street-legal race car, and that's exactly what it is. Step inside, and the ZR1X balances raw aggression with cutting-edge luxury. The cabin is a fighter jet cockpit, driver-focused and highly customizable. It retains the familiar C8 layout but adds ZR1X exclusive touches like carbon fiber racing seats, Alcantara wrap dash, and contrast stitching that matches the car's exterior hue. The flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel features LED shift lights and tactile buttons to control suspension, exhaust, and drive modes. Digital screens dominate the layout, including the 12-inch digital gauge cluster and an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with the latest Chevy Performance UI. The center console remains high and angular, separating driver and passenger like in a true supercar. Heads-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Bose Performance Series audio system come standard. Every switch, paddle, and material in the ZR1X screams precision. It's a supercar cabin with purpose and no fluff, just speed and style. Now you might ask, can a near 900 horsepower Corvette be comfortable? Surprisingly, yes. Chevy has made sure that the ZR1X doesn't beat you up unless you ask it to. Thanks to adaptive magnetic suspension, the car rides smooth on daily drives and firms up instantly on command. The carbon fiber seats are sculpted for support, and while they're snug, they're surprisingly ergonomic for longer trips. Dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and a surprisingly quiet cabin unless you open the baffles, make it livable. While cargo space remains minimal, just enough for a weekend bag, the ZR1X isn't trying to be a grand tourer. What it does well is offer a brutal performance envelope that doesn't punish the driver when cruising. It's the kind of car you can drive to work, take to the track, and then grab dinner downtown all in one day. What really sets the 2026 ZR1X apart from traditional hardcore supercars is its ability to blend track-ready aggression with daily comfort, something few cars in this power range can do. Even though it's built to dominate corners and shatter lap times, the ZR1X doesn't forget that drivers still need to enjoy the time between the checkered flags. One of its most underrated strengths is how refined the cabin feels on normal roads. The noise insulation is surprisingly effective, unless you intentionally open the exhaust valves to let the V8 roar, and the ride quality in tour mode softens just enough to make city driving comfortable. You can easily take this car on a road trip, and with the heated steering wheel, memory seats, wireless phone charging, and integrated navigation, it doesn't just feel like a race car, it feels like a smart, connected luxury coupe. There's even a Z-mode customization feature where you can preset your preferred driving setup, making it easy to switch from spirited to smooth with one button. In short, while the ZR1X may wear the face of a savage track weapon, deep down, it's more civilized than you'd ever expect. Let's talk raw performance. The ZR1X is a speed machine that's more than just straight-line fury. That twin-turbo 5.5 liters V8 delivers relentless power all the way to a red line near 9,000 RPM. Throttle response is immediate, and turbo lag is nearly non-existent thanks to twin-scroll turbochargers and a lighter-weight crankshaft. The dual-clutch transmission fires off gear changes like a rifle shot, and no delays, no hesitation. In track mode, the car lowers its suspension, tightens the steering, and unlocks all 850 horses for full-bore attack. Around corners, the mid-engine balance and active aero keep it planted, while electronic torque vectoring ensures precise control. Braking is just as fierce, with carbon ceramic rotors providing fade-free stopping power lap after lap. GM has dialed in everything from pedal feel to steering weight to throttle mapping to ensure that this car doesn't just perform well, it gives the driver confidence and feedback. Whether you're attacking corners or blasting down a highway, the ZR1X feels alive. This is not just another high-horsepower car, it's a true driver's machine. So, is the 2026 Corvette ZR1X worth the hype? Absolutely. This isn't just the fastest Corvette ever, it's a bold statement from Chevrolet that American engineering can stand toe-to-toe with European supercars. From its breathtaking power to its cutting-edge tech and track-slaying dynamics, the ZR1X redefines what a modern-day supercar should be. It's a thrilling blend of power, precision, and passion. And perhaps most importantly, it continues the Corvette legacy, delivering exotic performance at a relatively attainable price point. If you're a purist, a speed junkie, or someone who just appreciates mechanical excellence, the ZR1X is a must-drive, must-experience kind of car. In the end, the 2026 Corvette ZR1X isn't just a leap forward for the Corvette nameplate, it's a seismic shift in what we expect from American performance cars. Chevy has managed to take the soul of a track beast, infuse it with world-class engineering, and package it into a machine that's just as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. Whether you're gunning it on a straightaway, carving up canyon roads, or cruising through the city, the ZR1X delivers an experience that's visceral, immersive, and unforgettable. It's not just about horsepower or 0-60 times, it's about connection. It's about emotion. And the ZR1X delivers that in every rev, every shift, every corner. If you're someone who's always dreamed of owning a true supercar but wants something with American roots, cutting-edge tech, and a design that drops jaws, this is it. The ZR1X is more than a performance icon. It's a statement that Chevrolet isn't done raising the bar. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more high-performance car reviews. We've got a lot more exciting content coming up, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.